Hey lovelies, welcome back to the coziest corner of the internet. Okay, real talk, 2024 went by so fast. But 2025? Oh, she's gonna be iconic. If you've been feeling like it's time for a fresh start or that main character energy, I've got you. Today, I'm sharing some tips to make 2025 your most fabulous, productive, and glowing year yet. This isn't just about goals. This is about creating the life of your dreams. So grab your snacks, cozy up, and let's get into it. Reflect on 2024. Before we leap into 2025, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself what went well and what didn't. What made you happiest? And write it all down. Think of 2024 as the blueprint. Knowing what worked and what didn't will help you crush 2025. Like, I learned that saying yes to every plan isn't self-care, it's exhaustion. So in 2025, I'm only saying yes to what lights me up. Goal setting with a twist. Set goals, but not just any goals, cute goals. Let me explain. Instead of saying, I want to work out more, try saying, I want to look like the main character in my gym fits while doing squats. Visualize your goals like they belong on a Pinterest board. Trust me, it works. And also break them into tiny, achievable parts. Like, instead of stressing about saving $1,000, challenge yourself to save $20 every week and reward yourself with something cute, like a scented candle. See? We're being productive and fabulous. Create a vision board. It's manifestation time, babes. Grab a poster board, some cute magazines, or print Pinterest inspo. Cut out everything that screams 2025 goals, like travel pics, good grades, dream outfits, affirmations like, I am that girl. And pin it somewhere you'll see it daily. Seeing your goals daily is chef's kiss for motivation. Focus on gratitude. Every night, write 3 things you're grateful for. Even on the rough days, there's always something good, like overcoming that situation or being alive. Gratitude changes your vibe, and a good vibe attracts good things. Upgrade your morning routine. Mornings are for glow-ups. Wake up 30 minutes earlier to drink water, stretch, journal, or plan your day. No more rolling out of bed and sprinting to your task. Start your day soft, intentional, and a little extra. Romanticize your life. Listen, life isn't just the big milestones, it's the little moments too, so romanticize everything. Wake up and pretend you're the star of a Netflix show. Whether you're making avocado toast or just organizing your clothes, you can go a little extra by lighting a candle or playing soft music. Make even the boring stuff feel magical. You're the main character, babe. Act like it. Get outside your comfort zone. Say yes to things that scare you a little. Whether it's a solo trip, starting a side hustle, or finally posting that content, make that move you're scared to make. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone, bestie. So take that step and future you will thank you. Make time for you. Don't forget to rest. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Whether it's a self-care night, taking yourself on solo dates, or binging your favorite show, just do it. In 2025, we're prioritizing rest as much as we can. Detox your digital life. 2025 is not the year for 2,000 unread emails and TikToks you saved but never watched. Declutter your phone, unfollow those toxic accounts, and set boundaries, like no scrolling after 10 p.m. Embrace mini makeovers. Sometimes a small change on the outside can spark a big transformation on the inside. Whether it's getting a new hairstyle, updating your closet, or giving your room a new look, these little makeovers can feel like pressing the reset button on life. Invest in hobbies. Remember that hobby you always wanted to try? This is your sign to start. Whether it's painting, yoga, or baking adorable cupcakes, hobbies are a fun way to practice self-care. And no, you don't have to be good at them. Just have fun and enjoy the process. Celebrate your wins. Every time something good happens, big or small, write it down and add it to a jar. At the end of the year, read them all and you'll be amazed at how much you've accomplished. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to making 2025 your year. Let me know in the comments, what's one goal you're super excited about? And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your best friend who needs a 2025 glow-up plan. Let's slay this year together. Love you all. Mwah.